Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The tiger, the lion, the elephant, the leopard. The correct answer is the lion. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian, the Arctic. The correct answer is the Pacific. Which fruit keeps the doctor away if eaten daily, according to the saying? Apple, banana, orange, pear. The correct answer is apple. In which country are the Great Pyramids of Giza located? Greece, Egypt, Mexico, India. The correct answer is Egypt. Which day comes after Friday? Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. The correct answer is Saturday. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? The dove, the crow, the eagle, the owl. The correct answer is the dove. Who is known as the father of computers? Charles Babbage, Thomas Edison, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein. The correct answer is Charles Babbage. What is the most spoken language in the world by native speakers? English, Mandarin Chinese, Spanish, Hindi. The correct answer is Mandarin Chinese. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Yuri Gagarin, Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins. The correct answer is Neil Armstrong. Which planet is famous for its rings? Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn, Neptune. The correct answer is Saturn. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? Heart, liver, kidney, lungs. The correct answer is kidney. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Raphael, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Donatello. The correct answer is Michelangelo. Which two elements make up water? Hydrogen and oxygen, carbon and oxygen, nitrogen and oxygen, hydrogen and carbon. The correct answer is hydrogen and oxygen. Who wrote the Divine Comedy? Geoffrey Chaucer, Dante Alighieri, John Milton, Virgil. The correct answer is Dante Alighieri. What is the currency of Switzerland? Euro, franc, pound, krona. The correct answer is franc. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Elliptical, spiral, irregular, ring. The correct answer is spiral. Who invented the telephone? Nikola Tesla, Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Samuel Morse. The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Which African country was formerly known as Abyssinia? Ethiopia, Sudan, Eritrea, Somalia. The correct answer is Ethiopia. Who discovered radioactivity? Marie Curie, Henri Becquerel, Wilhelm Röntgen, Enrico Fermi. The correct answer is Henri Becquerel. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Euro, pound sterling, dollar, franc. The correct answer is pound sterling. Which organ in the human body pumps blood? Brain, heart, kidney, lung. The correct answer is heart. What is the national sport of Japan? Karate, judo, sumo wrestling, baseball. The correct answer is sumo wrestling. Which famous scientist introduced the concept of natural selection? Charles Darwin, Gregor Mendel, Louis Pasteur, Carl Linnaeus. The correct answer is Charles Darwin. Which fruit was once known as the Persian apple, giving rise to its modern name? Peach, orange, pomegranate, apricot. The correct answer is peach. What is the chemical formula for water? H2O, CO2, NaCl, O2. The correct answer is H2O. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Los Angeles, New York City, Chicago, Boston. The correct answer is New York City. What is the currency of South Korea? Yen, won, yuan, ringgit. The correct answer is won. Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen, Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte, Mary Shelley. The correct answer is Jane Austen. How many degrees are in a straight line? 90, 120, 180, 360. The correct answer is 180.